Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be unboxing my new purchase bag, and it's from Tory Burch. So if you want to see how it looks, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm just really hyped. I didn't actually look at it yesterday. As you guys can see in the previous two vlogs or something like that, I didn't I didn't show it to you guys because I want to do like a whole video just for this one right here. So this is the Tory Burch right here. It's like the paper bag is really huge, like it's freaking huge, and it's like pink, like dark pink, violet, like thick. I don't know how to describe colors, pardon me. And yeah, this is right there, Tory Burch, and this is my first time purchasing from them actually. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get this bag. Okay guys, so I have here the, what is this? I think that is a care card. Oh, it's the receipt. Okay, right here it's the receipt from Tory Burch. And oh my god, freaking god, let me just throw that paper bag away. You guys, it comes with a dust bag right here. It's just like white and has like little details in here too. That's really cute because if I don't use this, well, I'm gonna ending up using this every day because I purchased this because of like my work bag. So anyway, this is the paper bag, and look at the little details, you guys, right there. Look, and it's like purple. Ooh. So this is the bag. Oh my god, look at her, look at her. So this is the Ella, I think Ella Tote or something. Forget the name. Let's see. Okay guys, sorry. So the name of this bag is Ella Patent Tote, and it's $198. This is actually the large size. The mini, they also have the mini tote, which is it's only $178. I thought it was big enough because looking at it online, because I just like screenshot it, it looks kind of like a regular medium size. But then when I went to the store, that's why I like going to the store first, because just making sure like the size of it, it's not tiny or it's not small. So anyways, it was small, like I could barely fit something in it. So I went to the large one, which is this one right here. So like I said, the name of this bag is Ella Patent Tote Bag. So I choose the matte, yeah, just the matte, because I don't know, I just like matte. They actually have a like a shiny thing as well, but I didn't choose that, so I just like look for the matte. So anyways, it comes, look, I'm not a bag reviewer or something like that, I'm just like showing it to you guys. So anyways, it's like a magnet thing. You just like, it's like that. So it's like magnet, and it's like huge inside, and it has like this, what you call it, clip or something in the side as well. So that's that. Yeah, in both sides actually, right there. So right there, and then the inside, let me just, so I can show it to you perfectly. So inside it has a zipper right here. Oh my god. Okay, it has a zipper right there, and it's a huge space actually. And it comes with this one. Oh, this is the name Ella Tote right here. And then I'm just gonna put that back actually. No. So the thing is gold right there, like the zipper thing. There's gold, and it says Tory Burch in here. And then there's another compartment, or like right here, so you can put stuff in here too. So yeah, that's really it. Let me just like here. Okay guys, so that is the name brand, Tory Burch, and I literally just zoom you guys in, and let's just take this plastic right here. Ooh. So yeah, also the zipper thing is gold right there. That's the inside. It has like the logo of the Tory Burch everywhere. So yeah, that's that. This is matte as well right here, right there. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna read the description. So this one holds up a 13-inch laptop, which is my MacBook is 13-inch, so that's really good. And it's nylon, it's magnetic snap closure, and it's 2 gusset snaps in the side. That's what they call gusset snaps. And then 1 interior zip pocket, 1 slit, yeah, the slit in the other side. And also the height is 13.2, which is 33 cm, and the length is 17.3, which is 43.5 cm, and the depth is 5.2, which is 13 cm. And this yeah, that's it. So this is actually a this is really good for like if you are like a working woman, like, or if you go to maybe, you know, maybe go to school or something like that, if you're like a businesswoman, something like that. So this is really good because I can put my laptop in here, I can put my planner, I can put my notebook, I can put like my charger, my phone, my like everything. Like if I go to work, I have everything in me. So this is like a really good size, you guys. So I actually like it because it's like a good purchase. I'm not just like buying this because, like, you know, like I need a bag. Like I'm buying this because like, it has a purpose. And I do have like a bag, but I got that one like Forever 21, like just a little tote bag. So yeah, I upgraded it to, you know, this one, and I like it because it's like matte on matte. So yeah, that's like how the bag look like, you guys. And like I said, I paid 109. Well, the price of this bag, the large one, is 198. If you purchase the mini tote, which is $178. So anyway, I overall with the tax it's $11.88, so it's like $209.88. So yeah, that's it, you guys. And they're really nice over there. Like the guy who helped me, you know, really he was just really nice. And I forgot his name. I think he gave me his card, and they said, well, he said, oh my god, it's orange too with the inside. Look at the bag, the paper bag. I'm not throwing this away. It's super super cute. Okay, so he gave me his card. Okay, it's Ali, the associate. So anyways, yeah, Ali, thank you so much. And he told me that on my birthday, you know, for next year, that they will give me a $50 gift card. So that's really amazing that I'll get, you know, a $50 gift card. Because I was planning, I was planning to buy the Gemini link tote bag, or the crossover body. Maybe like on December I'll probably buy the Gemini crossbody bag. It's like in the color blue. I'll just put the picture right here. And it also, they have the spadrille, you guys, which are like looks like a Chanel spadrille, but they're like more like cheaper. They're like $198 as well. So maybe I'll buy the spadrille and also the crossbody for my, you know, Christmas gift for myself this year. So anyway, guys, this is the bag, and I can't wait to use this bag. And maybe I'll do like the, you know, what's on my work bag thing soon. But like I said, I'm gonna like use this bag, and then I'll update you guys actually if, you know, what fits inside this bag. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.